Just picked up a brand new car. Like I said, I haven't been one of these since 1995. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here at Boosted 931s, and he just picked up a brand new car to him, and he wanted to share it with you guys. So here we go. All right, guys, so what we have here is what I love. This is a 1971 Nova. Man, so you just picked this thing up today.
Yeah, me and Josh here drove all the way 3
Josh
hours.
from SOS, guys. If you remember, what was it, a couple weeks ago, the drag strip video from Jake's, he was there. So
We went to Clarksville, Tennessee, about a 3-hour drive from here. Drove up there in the Maxima, came back with this one too, so it'll make it. It's a full-blown street car.
yeah, and this, you said this has the original engine in it?
Original motor, original trans, original everything. Nice to live.
Man, she is running good. So you're the third owner of this car? Third owner. Man.
Bought it from the guy that originally bought the car. That was another reason why I wanted this car. Third owner, all original. I will tell you, my future plans will probably be an LS swap. I will set the 350 and the trans back, so I still have the original parts, but the LS 60 is what we got at the shop. We'll probably throw in it so we can drive long distance, get decent fuel mileage. Maybe throw 150, 200 shot of nitrous on it, be done. That's it. Ain't gonna be nothing crazy.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Guys, if you've been around the channel for a long period of time, especially if you've been in my lives, you heard me talk about my very first car, and it was a 73 Pontiac Ventura, which is Pontiac's version of the Nova, 2-door with a 350 in it. So this kind of hits home a little bit. I have not sat behind the wheel of one of these or been in one of these since 1995 when I had that car. So it's always great to be able to get back in one of these. And man, I asked him if he wanted to sell it, and he said no.
No, it's not for sale. We've been out for several times today.
Man.
Just on the drive back. Yep. I've had, what, 2 or 3 people at least already today? 3.
Man, I want one of these bad.
Well, you want to go for a ride?
Yes. All right, guys, so we're fixing to take this thing down the road.
I'll set in the morning. All right.
Man, this thing is in really good shape.
Oh, yeah, it feels smooth it is.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Now, this still has the drum brakes.
Yeah, it still has. It's all
manual drum brakes.
Yeah. Yep, you gotta go all the way to the floor with it.
Mm-hmm.
Leg workout. Alright, we're gonna take off and go left. Right here. They're just the old little 350.
So what do you think about it?
Man, I ain't gonna lie to you. I love it. You know, it ain't gonna be like blow your mind fast right now, but it will be. It's not gonna be like crazy. If I can get it to run, you know, a 6.5, a 6.0 to 6.5 with that LS and the nitrous, I'd be happy with
go.
It's just a street, you know, I still got the drag car, still got the Cadillac. I don't need crazy.
No, you just need a good cruiser, man.
And see, the 6.0, when we're going to do a big cam, I want it to sound good and look good. That's my 2 main goals with it, you know. I want to have a good sounding cam, maybe a decent set of heads. Nothing crazy, though. A little bit of nitrous. Just daily drive it whenever I want to, you know.
There you go.
Drive it to work, car shows. If I want to go fast, I'll go jump in the Predator.
All right, guys, we just got back, and yeah, I want one. I want one. These things are just awesome. You can make them into a drag car, you can make them into a street rod, just a classic cruiser, whatever you want to do with them.
Bench seat in there where you can have your lady beside you.
That's right. That's right. Whoa. I know this primarily, I mean, y'all, I've got a lot of Mustangs on this channel, so a lot of people put me in that category where I'm just a Ford Mustang channel. But if you've been around my channel, especially in the live chats, any length of time, you know I'm an all-around car lover. And yeah, I need one of these. If you ever decide to sell it, let me know. But I imagine there's a lot of people on that list.
I already told you what I already found for you, but that's a different story.
Right, yeah, yep.
We'll keep that a secret. Just
yeah, maybe one day.
I'm tickled with it, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I know a lot of people was like me. I started my channel as a Mustang channel, but I've always been a car guy.
Yeah.
I started hanging out with these guys more. They all got Chevys, and I'm like, well, I can't hate, but
no, ain't nothing wrong with it, man.
I mean, I still got all the Coyote content too. You know, Brett and Derek and all them still got Coyotes. And
Yeah, speaking of Derek, where's he at?
he's probably asleep, like he
yep.
was during the live feed that one night. He likes to sleep a lot. Derek, wake up, son. But like I said, I'm probably gonna keep this 350 in it for a little bit. I got the LS at any time I wanted to swap it over, so I'll probably just use the 350 and enjoy it for a little bit. First thing I want to do is the paint job. Y'all are telling me to keep the wheels.
Okay, guys, so here you go. In the comments, let me know. Keep these wheels or go with something like it and go chrome. These are like a satin silver finish, and I told him to keep these wheels. Now, when he paints the car, he's going to paint the car black. So those are the wheels that he's kind of looking at, guys, the chrome, which do look great, the hood and all. It's kind of the look that he's going for on this car. But, however, I told him exactly just what he said. Just like he said, don't be like everybody else. Stay different. Stay with that satin. And those look really good, like that brushed aluminum type of look. They look really good to me.
Y'all gonna make me keep these and go buy another set, because me and my wife, we love chrome. We like black and chrome anything. Like the Cadillac, we put the chrome wheels back on it.
Yeah.
But we'll figure it out.
Yes. And how many subscribers are you away from 1,000 right now?
152 subscribers.
So guys, he is 152 subscribers away from 1,000. So do me a favor, go check out his channel, subscribe to him, and help get him to 1,000 subscribers.
Got a lot of good stuff coming this year.
Yeah.
Predator, and
he's got a Fox body drag car that's going to be sick. He's got the CTSV, and it's got a few mods done to it, pulley and stuff like that. It's pretty quick. And then he's got this that I'm looking forward to see where it goes. And
I got my truck over there. I still got
and then
Ford.
he's got the he's still got the Ford. He's got the F-250 sitting up over there. But this thing, I don't care, man. I can look at modern cars all day long, but the classics still pull at me. I still love them.
Like we got the shop SOS, as you already know.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna have this thing painted. It's gonna look sweet. Y'all just
Black.
subscribe, check it out. It's gonna be a fun build.
Guys, go subscribe to his channel because you're gonna want to see what happens to this car in the future. I'm looking forward to seeing what he does with it. Or some twins on it.
Some big twins on it.
Y'all shush.
Man, look at the engine bay though. Like those engine bays are crowded. These engine bays are like wide open. And LS with turbo.
Right. Look, you can tell I put a light coat of wax on it a while ago. So you'll be able to tell how much nicer this paint job will get.
Yeah, exactly. I'll take it just like it is. You want to sell it? Oh,
I've
okay.
been offered 3 times. Me and Josh we was filling up the gas. We had 3 different guys 3 different times at the gas station.
At the same pump, they
At the
come up
same
trying to
pump.
buy
I was
it.
like, no, I just
Yeah.
bought it.
Definitely. Well, if you ever decide to sell it, I don't think it'll be hard to sell.
I don't think it's gonna be. It's not in the list for sale.
I would never get rid of it. If I ever get another classic, it will be with me until the end.
Classic cars gonna be worth more money. Say 20 years, 25 years.
Mm-hmm.
These cars gonna be worth some money. But
Now they're already rare.
very rare.
20 more years from now, they're
All
going
these
to be
cars
even
you see
more.
are all built. They're all dragged
Yeah.
out.
Or
It's like a
rusted
Fox
out.
body or
Or
rusted
rusted.
out. Did you see the trunk of it?
This is pretty much a survivor car. I mean, for all purposes, it's a survivor car. Original engine, original transmission. I mean, it's pretty much unmolested survivor car. I mean, they're hard to find. You either find them all rusted out or all fixed up and drag car and everything else.
Spot of rust under it.
The chrome is still perfect shape. You see, there's no rust in here.
Yeah, this is great shape.
Chrome's in mint shape. I'm about to polish it up even more, make it shine.
Mm-hmm.
Need
No.
y'all's advice though on the wheels. Need y'all's advice.
All right, guys, so leave a comment down below. Stay with these wheels, which I'm a huge fan of. They're kind of a brushed aluminum satin look, or go chrome. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you guys think. And like I said, go subscribe to his channel, Boosted 931. Yeah, guys, I want one. Maybe one day. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you have not, and we will see you next time.